Studio Art and Design is preparing students to go into any visual arts field that they would like to. And they need to know basics of design and color. These are all the things that you need in a portfolio, and that is necessary to go to college to continue with. So Studio Art and Design has drawing, painting, digital art, mixed media.
The best part of this program, I think, is the amount of freedom you get, especially since Mr. Wiley is a great instructor. He really just lets us flourish, mainly with painting, and we do a lot of pastel and stuff. It's just a really good environment, and the students here, student populace, is just great as well.
I think in this program my favorite project would have to be when we were doing diorama painting. So we had these pictures of these dioramas of like birds from the Natural History Museum, and we got to draw that with soft pastels, and it was really nice.
We work on a different level. Their opportunities are entering the Scholastic Art Show, regional and national. It's a huge show that's been going on for many years, and every college, major college, will participate in this.
I think the best lesson I had at the program was probably oil painting. It was great for me to learn the techniques, and I was able to have my own space.
I think I've definitely gotten better at doing proportionate drawings and things like that. We've just had a lot of practice with different mediums, so learning oils, for example, I never knew how to do that before, but now I would say I'm decent at them.
This specific course is setting them up to think like a college student, but also it sets them up to look at the many positions, or the fields in visual art are many, and to show them that is great. When you have a guest speaker come in and their jaw drops, and you're just showing what they're doing and how they developed.
I think be open, make lots of new friends, because that's exactly what I did. It's really fun in here, and you're gonna have a great time. Just be open-minded and yeah, have fun.